Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would do an unboxing, and this is a very exciting one. This is something that's relatively new from Dooney and Burke, and I am so excited. I had to get it on their most recent sale that's still going on, which is the Friends and Family, where you get 30% off site-wide. So if you want something that's on your wish list, I would go ahead and grab it because the best time ever to get it. So sorry, I've got my curtains open. I don't think it's gonna get washed out, but anyways, this is an item I know one of my subscribers, one I subscribe to, Lori the Poodoo Dog. I know this is something you said that you wanted, and I'm sorry if you get jealous, but get it on the sale that's right now, or just wait till it goes on sale, and then if there's another sale on that, then that's perfect time. But anyways, I decided to get it along with an accessory, which I rarely do with my purchases. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, box looks to be in good shape. The box, yeah. Oh wow. Now guys, it took me forever, mind you, to figure out which color I wanted. I didn't know if I wanted the black or the cream, but I chose the cream. I'm like, this'll do. Ooh, wow. Okay. So this is the Dooney and Burke hydrangea regular size drawstring, and it is gorgeous. So I know I'm going to keep this, so you know, if it looks like I'm messing up all the packaging, it's because I am keeping this bag. So just letting you know, I am keeping all of it. There we go. And make sure that, whoops, make sure you can see that okay. Yeah, you can. Okay, so this is nice. Okay, so I'll take this off. Okay, so here it is. This is the Dooney Burke hydrangea drawstring, just the regular size. It'll say just drawstring. Here's the back. Isn't that gorgeous? This is the cream, like I said. So, so let me just make it a little bit loose right now. And when you get a drawstring, it's going to be extremely stiff right here, the pole. So you want to just keep working at it. So the strap, like I said, I'm keeping this, so I'm just going to kind of rip this paper off. I am keeping it. Oh, am I going to need scissors? Yes, I am. Okay. Okay. Let me cut this. We can kind of just rip it off. Okay. So here is the, okay, perfect. Here's the strap. It's like a nice medium tan vachetta, and it clips on like so. First on this side, on the end, you have a D-ring, so you can attach any kind of strap you want on this bag. I like that because I'm probably going to do a crossbody strap as well. There you have it. So what I'm going to show you is the inside. I'll just take a little bit of stuffing out. Well, I'll show you all of it. Okay, all of the inside of the bag. So the inside is like a canvas. There you go. You have actually two slip pockets in the back, not a zipper. And then you have the two smaller and bigger slip in the front. So a little different, but look at the collar. This is like a type of, it's not suede, but it's like suede type of leather. Yeah, it's like suede for sure. And I love it. So whenever I look at these, I like to see the bag drawn in because that's how I like them best, as opposed to how they show them on QVC half the time. Because I like to see what it really looks like, how it looks like on the website, how I want to use it, which is like this. When you draw it in all the way, oh my gosh. And once you put more stuff in it, this will like even out, but yeah, I like the look of this. I don't know what this is right here. There's some discoloration and it looks okay. I don't mind that. I don't, you know, like I said, I'm gonna use a crossbody in this, but it's on the underside, and like I said, I'm not always picky, you know. And this is the cool part. This is a little, I don't know what they call this, but it's leather and it's got D&B on here. This is great. And it's pretty lightweight because this is all coated cotton. And I got one more thing to go with it. So let me open that up. I usually don't buy matching accessories, but I did this time because I wanted to treat myself. And yes, so get a little box. This is really big. I don't know about this. Oh, geez, this is, I've never had a wallet this big before, but here it is. I might not end up keeping this, but we'll see, okay? We will see. So here's the wallet. This is gorgeous. It's the same thing in the hydrangea print, and it's in cream. And you get a little wristlet strap here. I think it's called the large zip around wallet. Yeah, in hydrangea. So here you go. You get 1, 2, 3, 6. Yep, you get 12 credit card slot, and that is wonderful vachetta leather. That is gorgeous. And then right here, it looks like we do have a zippered center compartment, and like I said, the inside is the same material, similar material as inside that bag. It's a cream canvas. Yes. So you have like 2 pockets, zip. I love that vachetta leather. I think I will keep this, you guys. That's totally fine. I'm pretty sure I will, because it's just really big, so you could put a phone in here. I don't know about my phone, but because I have a Google Pixel 2 XL, and I think it's 2 XL for this. But it actually might fit, so it's kind of heavy. I will give it that. But oh my god, look. This is great. That looks so cute. Let me zoom you in. There we go, so you can see it just a little closer, just like that. So yeah, this is great. I just love my new bag. I love it. I am keeping it. And that's like my favorite color, turquoise. And I was going to tell you guys something, PSA, is I just checked the Dooney website yesterday, and there's brand new items from the Alto collection. And it's something like there's Alto Mini drawstring, and it's Alto Mini, and it's got a weird, like, you know, a name, Angelica, or I don't know. But anyways, look it up. It's the best aqua color, and it's so pretty. It's like the same color as the pale blue, similar to the pale blue in the Florentine leather. And there's the large tote, and that's way too expensive for me. Just look up the price. It's like $700 and something. And then there's another Alto Mini. It's kind of like a satchel, where it kind of goes out like this. I forget the name, but look it up. It's just really cute. Maybe one day they'll go on sale and I can get it. But for now, I love my purchase. I just can't give enough of that. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you guys think. Have you bought anything from this line? If so, I highly recommend it before it goes away, because I don't see any of the old hydrangea stuff floating around that much. So let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the new Alto collection too, or anything new that's on the Dooney & Bourke website that you like. I can't think of anything else that I liked that I had to get. I can't remember what it was, but can't remember. But yeah, that was it. Because I wanted to get this one in the black. That's what I wanted. The blue was way too bright. It was like blinding when I looked at it on QVC. But I'll get the black next if I can. But yeah, thanks for watching. I love connecting with all of you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much. Talk to you later. Bye.